That sounded really weird.
We're going geocaching.
You know what dude, you know how to video?
I'm doing it right now.
Gee.
Oh my god.
You're like...
You know,
Okay, give me my phone.
nope, I'm recording.
No, you record!
It's my job. Probably is shit. Oh god!
Don't worry, be happy. A swamp container secreted away along the southernmost part of the Swamp Rabbit Trail.
We're gonna get kids into that.
The hint is P Psalms 119-105.
Psalms? He said P Psalms.
Act like that. Camera.
Act
You
like
gotta
what?
get them too. We can't
You
just
know
be
they're all
us.
over there.
Do you want me to video?
No.
Okay, because
This is my
do
job.
better then if you don't
It is my job, my responsibility.
do
With
it
great
better
power.
then.
P Psalms.
Psalms. This P is silent. Connor, what was the scripture verse?
119-105. Good thing we got the handy dandy
Scriptures on our
scriptures on app.
It says, thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path.
A lamp. Hold on.
Oh, it's in there?
Piece of paper. There you go.
Oh, it's just a log. There's nothing else in it.
Did they take
It just says replacement. Okay, so we came geocaching. We're at a Swamp Rabbit Trail. We found it in the light. And there's nothing in it but a log. So, Connor's waving the light.
Follow us on YouTube, Twitter,
Quit moving,
Instagram,
baby. Quit moving.
Facebook, Buzzsprout, podcast, Scalf Life. This is not sponsored.
We got...
Actually, this is sponsored by Scalf Life.
About what? What do you